Busy cooks, these gadgets can save you serious time. From faster food prep to effortless cooking and smarter kitchen storage, they make every meal easier. And number 9 is a massive time saver. Transform your cooking with the Chef Robot's Smart Food Processor Ultra Cook, an all-in-one automatic cooking machine designed to save time and effort. With a 3.5-liter capacity, built-in scale, and a bright 7-inch TFT screen, it guides you step by step through over 600 online recipes. This multifunctional appliance chops, cooks, steams, and more, all with precision. Plus, the self-cleaning function makes cleanup quick and easy, perfect for modern kitchens. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way, every time we guarantee it. 6-egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and cleanup is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Take the hassle out of cooking with the StirMate Automatic Pot Stirrer Gen 3. This powerful, cordless kitchen helper automatically stirs soups, sauces, risottos, and more, so you don't have to stand over the stove. With variable speed control and a self-adjusting design, it fits different pot sizes and keeps ingredients moving evenly to prevent burning. Save time, reduce effort, and enjoy perfectly stirred dishes with this smart, hands-free cooking companion. Cook fast and efficiently with the AMSCHEF Double Induction Cooktop. This 1800W portable stove features 2 burners with a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for any meal. Enjoy precise cooking with 9 power levels, a 99-minute timer, and easy sensor touch controls. Sleek in iron gray, it's compact, powerful, and ideal for kitchens, apartments, or on-the-go cooking. Make fruit prep fast and effortless with this strawberry huller made from 304 food-grade stainless steel. Easily remove stems from strawberries, tomatoes, and more with precision and safety. The built-in safety lock and ergonomic non-slip grooved handle offer comfort and control. Durable, dishwasher-safe on high heat, and easy to clean. This handy kitchen tool saves time and delivers perfectly prepped produce every time. The automatic grape peeler machine is a smart kitchen tool designed for quick and easy peeling of small produce. Perfect for grapes, garlic, and cherry tomatoes, this cordless peeler removes skins smoothly with minimal effort. Its compact, user-friendly design makes it safe and simple to use for everyday cooking. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers convenient, hands-free operation without messy cleanup. Save time in the kitchen and enjoy perfectly peeled fruits and vegetables in seconds. The Starfruit Rod Auto Express electric peeler makes peeling fruits and vegetables fast and effortless. With just the push of a button, it automatically peels potatoes, apples, and more in seconds. It comes with 2 spare blades for long-lasting performance and safe, hands-free operation. The stable base keeps it secure while working, making it easy for anyone to use. Perfect for everyday cooking, this electric peeler saves time and reduces kitchen effort. Serve soups hot and ready with the Sooklane 10.5-quart commercial soup warmer. Powered by 110V electricity, this large-capacity electric soup kettle is perfect for family gatherings, parties, and events. Featuring a stainless steel hinged lid, detachable pot, and 2 included ladles, it's portable, easy to clean, and keeps soups, stews, and sauces warm and delicious for hours. Make perfect crepes anytime with the Moss Stone Electric Crepe Maker. This compact 8-inch non-stick pan delivers even heating for smooth, delicious results every time. Just dip, cook, and flip with ease. No mess, no stress. With automatic temperature control and auto shutoff, it's safe, simple, and perfect for quick breakfasts or sweet treats at home. Make fresh prep quick and easy with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. Designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple tool, it removes excess water fast for crisp results. The smooth spinning action is easy to use and perfect for everyday meals. Compact yet efficient, It's a must-have kitchen essential for healthier, fresher cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja DCT45112 in one smart double oven, designed for maximum versatility and convenience. The innovative flex door lets you access the top or full oven easily, while smart finish and a built-in thermometer ensure perfect results every time. Enjoy rapid top convection and powerful air frying on the bottom for crispy, flavorful meals. With Flavor Seal technology and a sleek stainless steel design, this oven delivers professional cooking at home. Make fresh, nutritious meals for your baby with the Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. This 5-in-1 processor steams, blends, purees, reheats, and even self-cleans automatically. Featuring a stainless steel steam basket, BPA-free design, and 6 reusable pouches, it makes healthy homemade baby food quick, safe, and effortless. Perfect for busy parents. Electric pepper grinder. Adjustable coarseness pepper grinder. Easily twist the knob to achieve your desired level of coarseness. Our salt and pepper shakers set features 5 adjustable levels, effortlessly meeting diverse cooking demands and helping you create richly flavored dishes for family. Battery-powered one-button operation. The salt and pepper grinder set is battery-powered and requires 4 AAA batteries, not included. Effortlessly grind your spices by simply pressing the switch. Release it to stop, allowing you to control amounts of salt or pepper while cooking. Built-in bright light. Our handy salt and pepper shakers set features a built-in bright light, providing clarity to check the size of your spice particles, even in dim environments. Enjoy effortless grinding adjustments with enhanced visibility, preventing excessive seasoning in your dishes. Upgrade your food prep with the 4-in-1 electric vegetable chopper. Powered by a 200-watt motor, it slices, shreds, dices, and strips vegetables in seconds. Built for both home kitchens and commercial use, this food processor saves time, boosts efficiency, and delivers consistent, professional results every time. Enjoy fresh corn the easy way with the Chef N Cob Plus corn stripper and peeler. This smart kitchen tool quickly removes kernels from the cob in one smooth motion, saving time and reducing mess. The built-in safety pusher keeps your hands protected while ensuring maximum kernel removal. Its compact, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and is simple to use for both home cooks and beginners. Perfect for salads, salsas, soups, and side dishes, this corn stripper delivers clean results in seconds. A must-have gadget for fast, safe, and effortless corn prep every time. Keep your food perfectly warm with the Feppo electric warming tray. This 4-in-1 buffet solution features a 33 by 15 glass surface, 10 temperature settings, and a timer for precise control. Ideal for parties, catering, or family gatherings, it ensures every dish stays hot and ready to serve. Stylish, modular, and hassle-free. Open stubborn lids effortlessly with the 2-piece adjustable stainless steel jar opener. Designed for weak hands, seniors, and arthritis relief, this durable metal opener adjusts to fit jars, bottles, and tight lids of all sizes. The non-slip grip provides extra leverage, making opening easy and pain-free. Portable, vintage style, and built to last, this smart kitchen gadget turns tough lids into a simple twist. Make kitchen prep easier with this collapsible colander small strainer basket. Designed with a smart side drain system, it lets water pour out quickly without tipping food over. Perfect for rinsing pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it saves space by folding flat for easy storage. Durable and dishwasher safe, this handy strainer combines convenience, efficiency, and modern design for everyday cooking tasks. Cook more in one pot with the 6.5-quart steamer pot with lid. This non-stick soup pot includes a built-in steamer, perfect for vegetables, dumplings, pasta, and everyday meals. Designed with stay-cool handles and induction-compatible cookware, it heats evenly and safely. PFOA-free and easy to clean, it's a versatile, healthy choice for any kitchen. Cook, fry, and steam with ease using the Aosian 6 Cutie stainless steel stock pot. Featuring a durable design with a handy deep fryer basket, it's perfect for versatile cooking. Induction-ready and compatible with all stovetops, it delivers even heat and reliable performance for every delicious meal. Serve and store snacks with ease using this divided serving tray. Designed with multiple compartments, a secure lid, and a built-in handle, it keeps fruits, snacks, and treats fresh and organized. Perfect for the fridge or table, this versatile snackle box and serving platter makes entertaining simple and mess-free. Experience power and precision with the Pliss Kitchen Meat Cleaver Knife. Crafted from professional stainless steel, this unique, effort-saving design makes cutting meat and vegetables smooth and efficient. Balanced for comfort and control, it's durable, sharp, and built for everyday cooking. A perfect gift for fathers, mothers, and anyone who loves spending time in the kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the 4-in-1 French fry cutter. This manual hand-powered tool quickly cuts perfect fries, dices onions, slices apples, and chops vegetables with ease. Featuring 4 interchangeable blades, it delivers fast, uniform results every time. No electricity needed. Durable, easy to use, and easy to clean, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for saving time while preparing fresh meals at home. Upgrade your kitchen with this stainless steel wire cheese slicer, designed for smooth, precise cuts every time. The adjustable handheld design lets you slice cheese thick or thin with ease, perfect for mozzarella, cheddar, Gruyere, and more. Made from durable stainless steel, this premium cheese cutter includes 2 extra replacement wires for long-lasting use. Sharp, sturdy, and easy to handle, it delivers clean slices without crumbling. Ideal for home cooks and cheese lovers, this wire cheese slicer makes prepping cheese faster, easier, and more professional. Keep your pantry neat and your food fresh with the Honeycandu Zevro Essential Dual Control Dry Food Dispenser. Designed for effortless portion control, it smoothly dispenses cereal, snacks, or dog food with a simple twist. Each clear container holds up to 17.5 ounces, making it easy to see when it's time to refill. Perfect for organized, mess-free storage the whole family can use. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this Acacia cutting board meal prep system. Featuring built-in containers with lids for interchangeable graters and 2 plastic boards for meat, it keeps prep organized and mess-free. Juice grooves capture liquids, while the durable design makes chopping, grating, and storing food faster and cleaner. An all-in-one prep station for any kitchen. Make perfect waffles every time with the Chefman Anti-Overflow Belgian Waffle Maker. The mess-free moat catches excess batter, while the shade selector and temperature control let you customize every waffle. With non-stick plates, a cool touch handle, and a measuring cup included, breakfast is faster, cleaner, and more delicious. Stainless steel wire masher. Ideal for mashing vegetables. Perfect for mashing root vegetables, avocados, apples, and nuts. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The handle is well balanced and ergonomically designed for comfort and smooth operation under heavy use. The handle features a debossed logo, chrome-plated bolster, and a stainless steel end cap. Rust-resistant. The head is crafted from thick 4-5mm stainless steel wire which is durable and will not rust. Dishwasher safe. This masher is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Lifetime limited included. This masher comes with a 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited. Grind fresh spices and herbs with ease using the Terra 18-8 stainless steel mortar and pestle. With a 1.5 cup, 350 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for crushing spices, herbs, pills, and making pesto or powders. Durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean, it also includes a handy brush for effortless maintenance. Touchscreen toaster. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Wall Touchscreen Toaster. This sleek 2-slice stainless steel toaster features a smart digital touchscreen with an easy-to-read timer and sound alerts for perfect results every time. Its extra-wide slots fit bagels, thick bread, and more, while the bagel, cancel, and defrost functions give you total control. Modern, stylish, and built for precision, this silver wall toaster makes every morning smarter and more delicious. Enjoy comfort meals in style with these ceramic soup bowls with vented lids. Each 32-ounce jumbo soup mug features a sturdy handle and wide 5-inch design, perfect for oatmeal, gumbo, salads, and cereal. Microwave and oven safe, this 2-pack makes heating, serving, and enjoying your favorite meals easy and mess-free. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef electric crepe maker griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, it's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Keep your kitchen drawers neat and customizable with the Kigley 3-piece wood pegboard drawer organizer set. Designed with 32 adjustable wooden pegs, this smart system lets you create flexible compartments to securely hold dishes, plates, pots, containers, and utensils. The sturdy wooden construction adds a natural, stylish touch while keeping cookware from sliding around. Easy to rearrange and sized to fit most drawers, it's a simple way to maximize space and stay organized. Prep vegetables faster with the 2-in-1 pepper seed corer remover. Designed for quick, clean cuts, it easily removes seeds from bell peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, and more. Simple to use and efficient, this handy kitchen tool saves time and makes everyday cooking easier. Vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice like a pro with the Mueller The Real Original Pro Chopper. Since 2013, this versatile 10-in-1 vegetable chopper has made meal prep faster and easier for home cooks everywhere. Equipped with 8 sharp blades and a sturdy container, it effortlessly handles onions, peppers, carrots, and more, saving time and reducing mess. The compact design keeps your countertop tidy, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for salads, stir-fries, and everyday cooking, this chopper is a must-have kitchen gadget for anyone who loves efficiency and convenience. Upgrade your kitchen with the Mueller Pro Chopper and make prepping vegetables a breeze. Vegetable peeler. Make peeling fruits and vegetables faster and easier with our kitchen fruit and vegetable tool. Featuring a sharp stainless steel blade, this peeler glides smoothly through cucumbers, carrots, potatoes, and more. The built-in container collects peels for a mess-free experience, while the comfortable handle ensures a secure grip. Its convenient hanging design saves space in your kitchen. Perfect for quick meal prep and durable enough for everyday use.